Hey, good day everyone. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So we've been working with FE Active and they've recently sent us out a portable camping table. So today we're going to be setting it up and showing you how to put the table together and why I think this is a fantastic product. So right out of the bag, it comes in two different pieces. You have your base and you have your tabletop. So the base easily folds out. Okay, just pulls apart very simply. You have two pieces that just simply flip over the side and they clip into place. Okay, our tabletop is held into place by some attached elastic bands and unfolds into one single piece. So everything here is made out of aluminum. That means it's lightweight. So this whole unit is under 2 pounds. It's great for backpacking, it's easy to throw in the car, be great for out on the deck, and which also makes it very easy to set up. So there are a couple grooves that are built in that allow you to simply snap the tabletop into place on each of the corners of the table, and that is as easy as it gets. It's rated as a 300 pound payload. I don't know if I put 300 pounds on, but anything that you would be carrying with you in your backpack if you're doing a backpacking trip overnight would easily be held by this. So even though it's a super setup, it's light, it's strong, holds into place by simply setting up. By snapping in place, you unsnap to release, and just as easy as you set it up, you fold it and put it away. Thank you so much everyone for checking out this product. If this is something that you're interested in, you can either buy it online at Amazon, on our website at www.joshthetravelguy.ca, or on their website at feactive.com.